Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back in the kitchen 2 weeks in a row because I wanted to keep in line with my lime theme. So today I'm doing a raspberry lime keto frangipane. A very simple dessert, actually a great dessert for a dinner party. It has the absolute wow factor. So without any further ado, this is going to be a simply stunning dessert, so let's get started. Now for the taste test. I'm so tired. It's been so hot in this kitchen, so this is going to be all well worth it. It's an absolutely stunning tart. You can taste the lime. The raspberries give it that tartness, and it's just the right amount of sweetness for this dessert. Thumbs up. It's a winner. Absolutely delicious. You can't go wrong with it, and it is so moreish. But the best thing of all is that it's sugar-free, gluten-free and carb-free. So on that note, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Frangipane lime raspberry keto tart. I will put the recipe in the description box below, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'm flustered. I want to finish this. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification for the next upcoming video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.